If you're looking for a quick and easy way to generate a QR code for your Instagram profile, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it using Uniqode. It's fast, simple, and efficient. Everything you need when you want to share your Instagram without a long link or typing it out. Stick around till the end because I'll not only show you how to use Uniqode, but I'll also share an exclusive free trial for you and some alternatives that might work even better depending on your needs. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to the Uniqode website. You'll need to sign up if you haven't already, but don't worry, it's quick and easy. Once you're in, look for the section where you can create a QR code. Uniqode makes it simple by offering a clean, straightforward interface. Next thing, select the Instagram profile option. You'll want to click on that because we're creating a QR code for your Instagram page. At this point, you'll be prompted to input your Instagram URL. Go to your Instagram profile, copy the link from your browser, and paste it into the appropriate field in Uniqode. Make sure the link is correct because this is what will connect people to your profile. The third thing, customize your QR code if you want. Uniqode offers some customization options to make your QR code stand out. You can change the color, add a logo, or adjust the shape of the QR code itself. This is a nice touch, especially if you want it to match your branding. But if you're looking for simplicity, you can skip these options and generate the QR code as is. The fourth thing, hit the Generate button. Uniqode will process your input and generate the QR code for your Instagram profile. Once that's done, you can download it as a PNG file. From there, you can print it, share it online, or add it to your marketing materials. Now, let's talk about what makes Uniqode a great choice, but also why it may not be for everyone. Uniqode offers a pretty simple and user-friendly interface for QR code generation, but there are some limitations when it comes to advanced features. If you're looking for more flexibility or customization options, there are other tools out there. On that note, let me give you a quick heads up about alternatives. If you're looking for something a bit more robust, tools like QR Code Generator Pro offer more customization and even analytics, so you can track how many people are scanning your code. While Uniqode does the job for basic needs, if you're looking for in-depth tracking or complex design features, those alternatives might be worth checking out. Before we wrap up, here's the big deal. I've got an exclusive free trial link for Uniqode and some of these alternatives, and you'll get extra benefits that aren't available anywhere else. If you're serious about generating QR codes for your Instagram profile, using our link will give you the best deal, plus some awesome perks that'll save you time and money. So, whether you stick with Uniqode or check out some other tools, now you have all the information you need to make the right choice. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to grab that exclusive free trial through our link.